Doing today? Here we are gonna pack up a Wolf magnet order. These are wooden magnets that I make. So pretty cool. So we're gonna pack them up to order for them. We have order for 10 of them. They're available on the Etsy store. So here's the Etsy store. So this customer got 10 of these. We have to package them up. One. So these are made out of maple wood, and then I do a Forstner bit to add a little spot for the magnet. And in each of these I include my business card so that hopefully we get repeat sales. You see there's my business card right there. I think these turned out really great. Nice and smooth finish. So. Business card. It's 3 of them. Like I said, we have 10 of these to pack up. Available on the Etsy store. We can make any animal. Use cookie cutters as patterns. So, I just gotta find a box to put them all in. When we get all said and done, there'll be 10 of them total. Make sure you guys drop a like and a follow down below. Really helps us out. If you want to purchase any of these items, I will have a link in there to my Etsy store. You guys can purchase stuff through there. Or you can purchase anything through any of the affiliate links if you would like to. That really helps the channel. So we get everything we get here is from off of Amazon. So the bags, the magnets, the wood even I order off Amazon. So they have Prime, so it works out.